So you can see how versatile these particular pliers can be. Hello, this is BJ from Hearns Hobbies, and I'm going to have a closer look at the brand new GodHand pliers. Now, these are the brand new pliers, and there's a straight type and there's a curved type, and they're called the Le-Dio pliers. Now, the biggest feature of these is the tips. Okay, so the tips, I guess, are the most important parts of most tools, because this is where most of the action is happening. Okay, so these are very, very fine needle nose pliers. The grips are pre-molded rubber high grip, so they've got a very nice soft touch. One of the great features is this particular spring. So at the moment it's in the lock position, and on this side you'll be able to see the button. So this particular button, when you press it, will release the spring. So if I press now, you can see the spring getting lifted up. Then as I open it and release, the spring gets dropped into that particular catch there. And then it becomes spring loaded. A very simple idea that works very, very well. Okay, so if we just press it up, it'll release the spring, and then you press it back and it's in lock position. Okay, so as you're using it, you'll be using it like so. So a nice big handle fills the whole hand. It's got quite a nice supple spring to it. It's not super hard, but it's got enough force so that when you try to grip small items, you can quickly release and it'll just open up. Now, apart from the super pointy tips, if we just open it up, see if I can just show you, they do have these very fine textured tips. So it's got a hatch pattern there. So it's reasonably flat, although it has a very fine hatch pattern to give just a gentle amount of grip, whatever you're holding onto. And when you're actually closing, it does close perfectly flat. Like so. Okay, so the straight ones, obviously straight, very useful, but the curved ones, as you can see, it's got a fair curve degree in it. It's basically the same tool with a bent tip. It has the same button, so it has the same control on the locking mechanism. Okay, so again, you press it up and it'll release it, let it go, and the spring drops into its particular spring location point and becomes spring loaded. Okay, so this one again, it's got the same grips, fits in the hand. You get your thumb, you've got the curved parts here which lock on, and then obviously with the curve you can hold the pliers like this and be able to grip things like so. Now, being able to do so, it allows your wrist to remain straight, so it gives you much more control on items that are on a flat surface. Even if you're working on something here, by having it angled, you don't have to have, again, your wrist bent like so. It's all fairly straight. And again, it's got the same type of textured pattern on the working surface. And again, when compressed, they compress totally flat. So let's have a little play with some brass tubing. There's some brass tubing which I'd softened up earlier, so I've just heated this up, made it all malleable. See, just by gripping it like that, there's not a lot of force. Very easy to hold. So even if you're using very small things like photo etch, I think it'll be able to grip that very well. Probably have a better grip than tweezers, which can tend to flick things out of the way. And if you need to bend anything, then this has a very good grip. So I'm just gripping it slowly and bending it across. And as you can see from the surface, it's reasonably clean. There's a little bit of a mark because of the texture, but I can only feel it. I don't think you can see it there. So you can see how versatile these particular pliers can be. All right, and again, if I use the straight ones, so straight ones, same sort of thing, but obviously you'll be using different angles depending on what you're working on. And again, just have all this control in bending. Like so. So whether it's handy wire work that you want to use the tools for, or even radio control work where you need something with a lot of precision, or even with electronic work when you're picking up electronic components and applying them onto the circuit board. These are very, very comfortable tools to use and incredibly precise. And you can see there, I've got it just barely open and then close fully flat. And then when you're finished with them, so you can see there it's in this open position, you just press the button from here, this one there, and that button will lift up the spring, push it across, let it go, and it's in its closed position. So when you put it in your toolbox, you don't have to worry about anything damaging the tip from getting on the inside because it's already closed. So again, same with this one. So just press up the spring, press it across, and that's closed. And that's the brand new GodHand Le-Dio pliers. So either in straight or in a curved configuration.